Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. I have Logitech M185 wireless mouse with receiver. But now the mouse stopped working. If I connect the USB receiver to my laptop, it shows that USB device not recognized. And the last USB device you connected to this computer malfunctioned, and Windows does not recognize it. And you can see that the mouse pointer is not moving at all. So, let's see how to fix it. It might be USB receiver has some loose contact. I will try to press here and align properly the USB receiver bottom part. Now, I will connect to laptop, but still error is there and the issue not fixed. Okay, remove it back. Okay, now we'll just press this part using cutting plier. Just press only, not too hard. Okay, now I will connect again, but still it shows same error. Okay, remove it back. Okay, now I will remove this part and let's see. For that, need one cutting plier and press here and remove this part like this. Okay, now this part is removed. Now, just remove this part from the receiver. Now what you have to do is, just take one small piece of paper. Cut the paper as per the size of this part. And fold paper as per the width of the part. Now, put this paper behind this part and insert back to USB receiver case. Okay, it's properly inserted. Now let's see what will happen. Connect the USB receiver to laptop. Now you can see that there is no more error. And you can see that mouse is started working now. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.